Oh, hi there. Welcome to BSF Recovery Team. We just got home from work and we're going right to work on the wrecker. We got lots of things to get done, mostly maintenance. I don't know that them guys out there in the Southwest know what maintaining a truck is like when you're running it through bumper deep mud and water all the time. A little earlier in the week, Titan showed up and found a place to install one of their products on the wrecker that might help me out when we're doing recoveries. So let's take a look at that clip, shall we?
Okay, what you up to, Troy?
Well, I'm going to remove this light here, and then we are going to custom install a dual door hinge step of ours. So that way Eric has an easier time getting up in here, either from the ground or from the cab.
Professionally installed, huh?
Correct. Very professionally installed. That's absolutely correct. Toughest part of this whole thing is going to be the screws, nuts, and bolts are seized up pretty good. That's going to be the biggest challenge in the whole thing. After we get these up, the rest is pretty easy.
Well, it'll work out better now you got your hat and work modes.
Yeah, that's right. I got the hand and work mode. That's right.
Must be going well. You're not saying any nasty words.
She's getting hot.
So yes, Troy put one of the Titan steps on the wrecker bed for me. Yeah, that's pretty high for the ground. That's not what it's for. Let me show you. So this is what it's for. So I can easily get to the wrecker bed and back into the cab without touching the ground, in case I'm in the mud or the water, or if the ground's too far away because I'm pitched up on some rocks. I think that's pretty cool.
Let me try.
Okay.
So I put my foot.
You can either use the bottom one or the top one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I need one.
Need one on your side?
I need one on my side.
Now we'll have to talk to Troy about that.
Hey, this is good exercise.
Well, that's kind of cool. That'll make it easier to get from the cab to the box when I'm in the mud or water, or maybe even perched on some rocks where the rocker panel's too far from the ground. Thanks, Titan. We might have to put one on Mara's side too. All right, now these two wires have got to go inside the cab. I meant to get this done right after we installed it. It's been a few days. We've been extremely busy doing all kinds of things getting ready for the event, not just the wrecker. In fact, we have some limited edition BSF Recovery Wrecker Game hats that are for sale. There's a link in the description. We haven't got the samples yet. They're supposed to come this week. If you want to get yours, get it now. Like I said, there's a link in the description of this video.
There. I'm done.
Yes, you are. You know what's next?
The brick paneling.
Yes, next is the brick. Then you can put your header up
Yep, and then I can
and
put,
the posts.
yes, my post.
And then we can put your barn doors up. Yeah.
I'm all excited. That's a lot of work for me to do. So how do you like mine?
Yep, we're still good. And we didn't do that one because that's the dryer vent from Mom's dryer. So that one stays open. We don't cover that with insulation because we don't want to start a fire for any reason. We'll get to the paneling as soon as we can.
Oh, that's gonna be a while.
Yeah, we got a lot of stuff on our list.
Yes.
Well, we got that wired up, and it's time for me to go to bed because I got to get up and go to work in the morning. So thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you out in Utah.